dangerous. Don't go on that one. That's the one I went and I got hurt on. Don't go on it. Are you sure? Boy, come.
I went on it and I climbed one time. So I'm not gonna
Me? I'm not gonna go on it either because I cried one time. We're going the wrong way. We have to go this way. Wait, we have to go down the slide. Let's go down that slide. I think Olivia went. Okay, after there's nobody here. There's still. Okay, wait, don't push me. They have to wait until there's nobody. Okay, 3, 2, I'm gonna go down. Wait! Whoa. Whoa! Go, boy! Go! Come! Boy! 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 Let's go up here! Boy! Let's go up here! Wait! Boy, don't go! Wait, I'm coming! Wait, this is hard! There's ball pit balls up here! Whoa. We're almost here! Boy! Mama! Mom! 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 Mommy! Let's go down. Boy, let's go down again. Wait. Wait. Don't go. Ah! Not going. Ah! Okay. Boy. No, wait. Boy, we can't. Boy, we can't. Last time I was crying and I got in trouble. Don't do it. Don't do that. Can't climb up. We have to get up there. Wait. Yeah, we have to get up there. Let's see who can get in here and like get. Wait for me, boy. Boy, wait. You don't have to. Wait, let's go together. Okay, we're almost ready. Okay, wait for her to get off, and then we can go. Not yet. Be careful because let's see. It's a race. Let's see who can get down there first. Okay? No, she's climbing up. Oh, just get on. Get on. Get on. Okay, boy, go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's like you jump. Okay, let's record. Go. Go. Go grab my hand. Don't go down there.
Like this summer, just to go down the bridge.
Wait, let's go this way. This is a cool place. Wait, boy, come here. Look, look, boy, look. There's little tiny little circles.
Oh yeah, hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go over here now. I want to watch them go down here. Let's see. Woo! Emma just went. Go, Olivia, go. You're gonna get pushed down. Go. Whoa! Go. Wait, boy, look at it. I'm gonna spin it. Wait, make it on. Boy. Okay. Slide it. 1, 2. Wait.
Ow!
Ooh. Okay, let's get off. Let's go this way. Wait. Boy, wait for me, okay? Wait, boy. Huh?
Watch me go down. Big.
I'm not gonna go there. Wait.
No, just watch me.
Okay. Go.
My friend is too scared.
I think I just found Paula.
Paula?
No, the other Paula. There's one in my Japanese class. I think I just found her. Nope, it's not. Okay, come, boy. Boy, let's go. Wait, boy. Wait.
Don't touch anyone on the slide. Or on anyone. Touch anything.
Go. Boy, don't go down.
It's okay. He can just go down.
What?
He can go down if he wants. But it's fine. He just wants to watch.
I'm watching, but I'm not gonna go.
I'm gonna go down with 50 seconds.
Go. Wow. Okay. Boy, come. Let's go down the slide. Boy, let's go down the slide. Don't push. We found the slide. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Okay, wait, boy. Boy, come. Boy, come. Boy, come. Boy, look. Look at this. Wait, look. Wait, boy, look. Wait, let's jump. Oh, boy. Let's jump in the ball pit. Okay. Wait, come on, boy. I want to do it. Okay. Let's go.
That hurts. Don't do that.
Only from the second boy died. Wait, let's pretend it's like a game. Pretend there's a shark following us. Hurry! Come, there's a shark following. Yeah, come over here. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Shark is gonna find us there. Come. Come. You have to go up here. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Come, boy. Let's go, boy. Here. Yeah, the trampolines. Boy! Boy! Come! Let's go on this one! Wait, boy! Let's go over there! Boy! Over here! Boy, look! Boy! Boy! Look! Remember, the shark is chasing us! Boy! 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 Look, the shark! Run! Look, come!
Alright, let me have it back.
Okay.